Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Wednesday, October 29th. Got a frog in my throat. Sorry about that. Looking at the news. So what's going on from forexfactor.com? We've got a 10 a.m. USD pending home sales month over month. What else have we got? 10:30, we have crude oil inventories, and then we have some red item. Finally, something that could possibly move this market. Federal funds rate at 2 p.m., FOMC statement at 2 p.m., 2:30, we have the FOMC press conference. So there you have it. We got some fireworks going off today at 2 p.m. So yeah, good news. That is good news. It will move the market in one way or another. Looking at the charts, you can see that we've got an area up here where this may be developing what's called an island reversal. It's not a perfect one. Perfect one would be a single bar, but it could be a grouping up here that is stuck or left hanging, so to speak, up here at the top. We could have another down day, another maybe 2 down days, and then a big drop back down into this area. That might isolate those 3 days, and we'll see what happens. Currently, we are at all-time highs once again. So above all the moving averages, above the previous area here. Let's move this up. So this is now the new all-time high right there. And as we know, there's very difficult to tell what's going on because there is no chart structure up here. Volume is below average by a decent amount. Yeah, it's kind of very odd. Volume is not confirming this move to the upside at all. It's very concerning. I think that I've been saying this for a long time. It looks awfully overvalued, but it just keeps going up. So it is what it is. Moving on. Looking at the inventory. Inventory was positive yesterday on positive price action. So that is correlated. That's what we want to see. It tells us we have a healthy market. It's hard to believe. And then looking at the overnight action, approximately 25 overnight points. It's about a little bit more than average, but not much. 22 is about average. So yeah, not much going on. Where do we have support and resistance? Resistance on the top side is guesswork. Fibonacci extensions, 69.55. You have to go way up to 69.81. Not much to go on the upside. On the downside, we have some confluence here around 69.27, 69.01, 69.89. What else we got on the bottom side? Moving this up a little bit. 68.90, 68.80. Looks like there's some confluence down around 68.66. Now, who knows if we're going to get there, but with the Fed speaking, it is certainly a possibility. Stock Trader's Almanac is 38.1, which means that their odds of the market going today is only 38.1%, which means we have a 62% chance the market will go down according to the historics from the Stock Trader's Almanac. There you have it. Hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.